Train family, I love y'all. Right now, I'm about to drive my mom to my grandma's house, and then after that, I'm gonna head out to Hermano's barbershop where they're gonna give me a cut. Right now, I'm actually wearing elite athletic gears, guys. If you guys can, check out their bracelets. I love them. Links in the bio. Let's get this done. Since you're my barber for the day, you're the artist. So you decide how.
I think you should go with a fade. Okay. One in the last line.
Great talk on the health stuff, bro. Like,
so what does that company do? So what's your timing, dude? Venture a couple. You know, to a big step. When you venture to a weekend. Like a 7.
Looks good. I like it, man.
I just did like a single man.
Back massage.
It's like the old school, like legit way to put your haircut.
Finish my haircut with Edgar. What inspired you to be a barber?
What inspired me to be a barber? I mean, I'm a hands-on kind of guy, so I've always liked to kind of, do things with my hands, and I like looking at the finished product.
Yeah.
Now, the name Hermanos comes from, pretty much, I was born in Mexico.
Yeah.
I was able to open up a barbershop with a DACA, so the deferred accent. And Hermanos, to me, is like I was born in Mexico, so it's in Spanish. Barbershop in English, because I was raised here, and I really appreciate this country as well. And now another thing is Hermanos means brother in Spanish, so I feel like no matter what sex, no matter what part of the world you're from, your ethnicity, your religion, we're all brothers. You know what I mean?
All brothers.
We should treat each other with respect. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that comes from appreciate you coming in anytime.
No problem, man.
And spending some time with you, getting some knowledge, and
Yeah.
Appreciate
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, bro. Really nice meeting you. Thank you so much for cutting my hair, fam.
Thank you.
Just got out of Hermano's barbershop. I really like the people there, and I like Edgar. I like the way he did my Thunderbolt. First timer, never had a Thunderbolt in my life, so I like how it turned out. And right now I'm about to head out to Cypress College because I have anatomy class, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, family? Just arrived at class.
The first layer of your gastrointestinal tract is your mucosa. Guess what it makes? Mucus. Oh my god.
Just got out of class, guys, and right now I'm working on the Boys Got Me video and enjoying the view and the fountains at the same time. What up, St. Train family? Just arrived at Cal State Fullerton. About putting that work on the track, guys. I got 50-meter warm-ups. Just finished my 50-meter warm-ups, guys. My eyes are on the prize. I'm gonna make it. No pain, no gain. It was easy. Anybody can do it. Watch me. My time is coming. Just finished my bleacher workout, guys. So right now I'm gonna head home, make myself a small snack, and then head to the weight room, guys.
Every day is prayer day, but how incredible it is that we...
What up, y'all? Just, I made my peanut butter jelly sandwich, and I should have went to the gym an hour ago, but I decided to work my social media. So right now I'm gonna head out to the gym. It's 11 p.m. We're just out to the gym, guys. About to put in this work. Let's get this. my workout. Right now it is 12:20 a.m. Starting my workout at 11:20 p.m. Right now I'm about to head out to Nathan's crib. It's time to small kickback with Shosh. So I'll see you guys there. Just at my homie's crib. We're watching these videos. Okay. Gang. Tired as hell. My boy's love. What up, Andrew? River Canes.
No, do not stop.
Alright, I'm ready. We're just all meeting up.
Later, Nate. Later, my boy. Yeah. Just arrived home, y'all. I'm really tired. It is 3 a.m. right now in the morning, and so you guys know that I love every single one of y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you guys all had an amazing day. And guys, if you guys can, please like and subscribe so more people can find about this channel. Thank you, guys.
One day, I won't have to wait in line. I know one day, I'ma get those keys to that new ride. I know one day I'll be fine, and I know one day I'll get mine. And I know one day, hell, it might be Monday.